Out in the wild, this massive elephant lives entirely submerged in elements we consider dirty, thick mud, river silt, and intense unfiltered sunlight. Yet despite the total absence of hygiene products, their skin and hide remain remarkably resilient, thriving in a landscape that would leave human skin raw and infected. Contrast that with the modern human routine. We use daily aggressive scrubbing and synthetic foams to keep our exteriors in a state of near total sterilization. But the result of this obsessive care is often physiological failure, chronic dryness, micro-cracking, and persistent irritation that nature simply doesn't seem to suffer from. It creates a glaring contradiction. The more effort we put into chemically fixing our skin, the further we seem to drift from the stability found in the wild. Curious, this biological efficiency is best seen in amphibians. A frog doesn't even need to drink water in the way we understand it. Their skin acts as a high-tech filtration system. Cutaneous respiration allows them to pull oxygen and moisture directly from the environment through semi-permeable membrane channels. Because this is constant and passive, the animal exists in total body cellular renewal. We see this same passive strategy in the lotus plant. It remains immaculate in swampy waters because its surface repels dirt at a microscopic level. Neither the frog nor the lotus is trying to hide from their environment. Instead, their engineered outer layers utilize the elements around them for protection. This suggests that biological health isn't achieved through isolation, but through immersion, maintaining physical integrity by remaining structurally inseparable from the natural world. Human skin is built with a similar defensive logic. Our primary shield is a natural lipid barrier, a layer of oils designed to seal in moisture and repel external irritants. When synthetic soaps make contact, aggressive chemicals act as solvents, fracturing the lipid layer, keeping skin intact. This strips away beneficial microbiome bacteria, leaving raw cells exposed. The body responds with an emergency flare, triggering inflammation to replace the washed-away armor. On the surface, we experience this internal panic as red patches, a feeling of tightness, and localized breakouts. Most of us then reach for even more harsh products to treat those symptoms, which only deepens the cycle of barrier destruction. Ultimately, many of our modern skincare habits aren't providing health. They are systematically dismantling the primary defense system that was designed for our bodies. To recover this resilience, the paradigm has to shift. We have to move away from chemical intervention and toward biological cooperation. Botanical solutions offer a different path. Raw plant compounds, like these Thai herbs, contain natural oils mirroring the chemistry of our skin. Because these nutrients are biologically compatible, they don't strip the surface. Instead, they integrate into the lipid barrier, actively repairing the gaps rather than dissolving them. When the barrier is supported rather than attacked, the internal panic stops. Inflammation subsides, oil production balances itself, and the skin returns to a stable, resilient state. Nature suggests that the solution to our health isn't more complexity. It's about stripping away the artificial and reconnecting with the simple natural elements that were designed to support us. We're building a community of like-minded individuals who love nature and healthy living. Click like and subscribe. It's free and it only takes a second, and by supporting us helps us to create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to turn notifications on.